I've been vibe coding apps in Gemini Canvas for quite a while now, and it's been a game-changing experience for me and for my students because I can take a workbook exercise from a printed book and turn it into an interactive exercise pretty much in minutes. What is really interesting here is that you can make your small Gemini apps that you've created in a few minutes AI powered. This is an app that I've created and took me maybe 15 minutes. And then over here is a written exercise where my students can write, and then ideally they would send it over to me. But I've also made my app AI powered if my students obtain a free Google AI Studio key and paste it over here. And if they do that, they're going to get access to more features. So now I'm going to show you how to get a free Gemini API key that will allow you to test AI-powered solutions for your apps. So go to aigoogle-studio.com and create an API key. And if I copy my key over here and paste it right over here, you can see that I wrote my exercise, then I click Get AI Feedback, and here we go, a nice, beautifully formatted reply that my student can read. And then, ideally, considering these tips, they can write it again and see how they've done. Or they can ask for a new scenario and they're going to get one. So this is why it's worth getting yourself a Gemini API key to test your creations. And you can also show your students how to get a Gemini API key for free, which will allow them to unlock AI-powered features for the exercises that you create. That's all for now. I hope you found this short video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.